What are Linux Loadable Kernel Modules? Have you ever wondered how the Linux operating system can adapt to so many different hardware setups without needing constant reboots? The answer lies in Linux Loadable Kernel Modules. These modules are small pieces of code that can be added to or removed from the Linux kernel while the system is running. This means you can add new features or support for new hardware without having to stop everything and restart your computer. When we talk about the Linux kernel, we refer to the core part of the operating system that manages hardware and system resources. Loadable kernel modules, often abbreviated as LKMs, extend the functionality of this kernel. They allow the kernel to work with new hardware, different types of file systems, or even new system calls. The primary roles of LKMs can be grouped into three main categories. First, we have device drivers. These drivers help the kernel communicate with hardware devices like printers or graphics cards. Second, there are file system drivers, which enable the kernel to interact with various types of file systems, such as NTFS or FAT32. Lastly, we have system calls, which add new functions that user programs can access to perform tasks. Without LKMs, every possible feature would need to be compiled directly into the kernel. This would make the kernel larger and less flexible. It would also require a complete rebuild and reboot for every single change. LKMs allow the kernel to stay lean by loading only what is necessary and unloading modules that are no longer needed. This modular design is a key feature that sets Linux apart from many other operating systems. While some systems requiring a monolithic kernel, Linux can dynamically extend its capabilities. This flexibility is what makes Linux suitable for a wide range of environments, from personal computers to servers and even embedded systems. In practical terms, LKMs provide several benefits. They allow you to add support for new hardware without interrupting your work. They also enable the kernel to handle specialized file systems or protocols. Developers can test new kernel code without needing to recompile the entire kernel. Additionally, LKMs can enhance security and debugging by allowing specific modules to be loaded or unloaded as needed. In summary, Linux Loadable Kernel Modules are a powerful feature that enables the Linux kernel to adapt and evolve dynamically. They support a variety of hardware and software environments while minimizing downtime and resource usage. This flexibility is one of the reasons why Linux remains a popular choice for many users around the world.